Welcome to Indian Box Draping Heritage, Weaving Stories. Bengal cotton Jamdani stoles exemplify India's rich textile heritage, where every thread carries the weight of history and tradition. Crafted using centuries-old hand-weaving techniques, each stole narrates a story of cultural significance and artistic excellence. Renowned for their intricate patterns and airy elegance, these stoles reflect the enduring legacy of Bengal's master weavers. At Indian Box, we bring you these timeless pieces that embody tradition, celebrate craftsmanship, and add a touch of heritage to modern wardrobes. Jamdani weaving, originating in Bengal during the Mughal era, crafted intricate designs for royal courts. Despite industrial competition, British appreciation ensured its survival and international recognition. Today, contemporary designers celebrate Jamdani, earning it United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization recognition as intangible cultural heritage, preserving its artistic legacy. Artisans meticulously prepare the loom, arranging cotton threads with precision on traditional wooden frames. Weavers skillfully insert supplementary weft threads by hand, crafting intricate patterns without mechanical aids. The fabric is gently washed and naturally dried, with each piece undergoing a thorough quality inspection to ensure excellence. Jamdani patterns feature intricate floral designs with delicate blossoms and vines, each region boasting unique motifs. Geometric patterns like diamonds and triangles highlight mathematical precision and cultural symbolism. Traditional booties, including paisleys and dots, add texture and depth, enriching the fabric's visual appeal. Bengal cotton is celebrated for its exceptional softness, offering a gentle touch against the skin. Its breathable nature ensures comfort in humid climates, making it suitable for year-round wear. Despite its lightweight feel, Bengal cotton is durable, becoming softer with each wash, maintaining its elegance and strength over time. Traditional artisans employ plant-based dyes like indigo, madder root, and turmeric, creating natural hues. Modern designs introduce vibrant colors, expanding beyond traditional palettes. The dyeing process involves multiple immersions, adding depth and texture. Proper techniques ensure color fastness, allowing fabrics to withstand washing and sun exposure, maintaining their vibrant appearance over time. The Bengal Jamdani offers versatile styling options. Traditionally, it drapes elegantly over shoulders, complementing both Eastern and Western formal wear. For a contemporary twist, it can be wrapped as a sarong or tied as a headscarf. In home decor, it serves as accent pieces of framed textile art, preserving cultural heritage. Bengal Jamdani adapts beautifully to each season. In summer, its light draping offers sun protection and breathability. During autumn, it layers over jackets, adding warmth and complementing seasonal colors. In winter, it provides insulation under coats without bulk. Spring sees vibrant colors reflecting renewal, perfect for mild temperatures. Supporting artisan communities is vital for cultural preservation, ensuring ancient weaving techniques endure. Economic empowerment through sustainable livelihoods uplifts rural areas, fostering community development. This support extends to education and infrastructure in weaving villages, enhancing quality of life and preserving heritage. Handloom weaving is eco-friendly, using minimal energy and creating almost no carbon footprint. Traditional dyeing conserves water and reduces pollution with natural dyes. Pure cotton decomposes naturally, avoiding microplastics. Ethical production ensures fair wages and respects traditional craft practices, supporting artisan families sustainably. Hand wash your Jamdani stole in cool water with mild soap to protect its fibers. Lay it flat to dry in the shade, avoiding direct sunlight. Iron on low heat while slightly damp, using a cloth barrier for patterns. Roll for storage in cotton bags, keeping it away from moisture. Jamdani stoles are masterpieces of craftsmanship, requiring over 20 hours of meticulous handwork. This technique, with a 200-year legacy, embodies generations of refined expertise. These stoles not only retain but often increase in value, becoming cherished heirlooms. Their enduring appeal and cultural significance make them a timeless investment. Jamdani weaving has earned global acclaim, recognized by the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization as an intangible cultural heritage. Artisans have received numerous national craft awards for their exceptional skills. Internationally, Jamdani has been spotlighted in prestigious fashion exhibitions, showcasing its intricate beauty and cultural significance to a worldwide audience. Explore wholesale opportunities with a minimum order of 50 pieces and a lead time of 4 to 6 weeks. Customize colors, patterns, and dimensions. Our products are certified with Handloom Mark and Geographical Indication certification. Choose from air or sea freight for shipping. Payment options include letter of credit, telegraphic transfer, and advance payments. Thank you for inquiries. Reach us at our Modinagar office in Delhi National Capital Region, Uttar Pradesh. Call us at +91 87-553-00795 or email support@indianbox.com. Visit our website at https://indianbox.com/ for more information.